Hey Matt, Tyler, great talking with y'all today. Just want to show you some things about your website and from the perspective of like what's Google looking for, how do we do what we do, and then also I'm going to show you some things about other keywords and then what some of the other websites are doing, how much volume they're getting, that sort of thing. So first, let's dive into your website. The three things that Google is looking for: one is content on your website. Is it keyword rich? Does it have enough content? We always recommend 1,500 words minimum on that. Is it structured in a way so that now that AI can pick that up? We talked about that a little bit. But really, it's all about the keyword rich content in addition to just branding you and such in a way that really tells your story. But the keyword rich content has to be done in a way that Google can pick that up. Again, 1,500 words minimum is what we recommend on the homepage. And then we have other pages, like some of your other service pages, it's going to have another probably 750 to 1,500 words of content on those as well. So that's the first thing that we have to do foundationally on your website. The second thing is what we call backlinks. So these are other websites that there's a link from a blog post or something that we create. Could be a news article or something. But in that content has those keywords and that links back to your website and pushes power to you. So it sort of takes power from that other website and gives that to yours in Google's eyes. So we're trying to build a big network of connection out on the internet. So you're in a lot of places, in those blogs, in news releases, in Google Business Profile posts, all of those things. And then the third thing are what we call citations. So these are your name, address, and phone number on online directories. So again, it's all about making that big footprint for you, getting you known and out in the space online so that Google sees, hey, they're over here in these 30 places. They've got these blogs built, blah, blah, blah. And all of that sort of works together to pass power and strengthen up your website for those keywords. So we do that for all of the different keywords that we're going after. And we have to do that in a way so that we're not spreading ourselves too thin. We're trying to focus on certain keywords at a certain time to get you, a good ROI off of your efforts. So that's the three things that we're doing on the website. We also optimize your Google Business Profile, getting keywords in there, posting on that each month, really trying to strengthen that GBP profile so that, again, Google's trying to rank it. And then another part of that is like social media channels, making sure those are all optimized really well as well. And if you're posting on those regularly, that's great. But we want to make sure that those have some optimizations and have some keywords and such in there. So that's sort of what we do on a monthly basis. And the first heavy lifting of that is on the rebuilding of your website. But let's look at what are we talking about for keyword volume and stuff like that. So when I type in lawn care Fayetteville AR, that's sort of in this vein of the services that you guys provide. Somebody could be looking for lawn mowing and stuff like that in lawn care, but from what I've seen, the keywords that like the other major players like Fairway Lawns and stuff are ranking, that keyword is actually landing on their page and people are getting clicks off of that. So you've got a couple of guys running sponsored ads. You got this Perfect Edge Lawn. You got Conserva Irrigation that's running sponsored ads. Those are Google ads. We do those as well. That's sort of outside of the SEO effort, but it can be sort of a short-term thing that can pump you up to get a jump start while the SEO part is sort of catching up and ranking. You've got True Green Lawn Care is running a sponsored ad inside the GBP, so that's more of your local service ad. And then you've got a couple other guys here. So this is all down in Fayetteville. With you guys being up in the northern part of Northwest Arkansas, your GBP is going to rank most likely for that area first, and then hopefully start to rank for some of the areas further away from your physical location. Jay's Lawn Care is ranking number 1. You got Yelp, and then Fairway Lawns is number 3 there for lawn care Fayetteville AR. So I dropped your website into this program called Ahrefs. It allows me to see how strong your website is, how many of these backlinks do you have, what kind of traffic you're getting, and how many keywords you're being found for. So right now you're getting 0 traffic off of your website and 0 keywords are being found. So Google is really not showing you at all. It looks like they had 4 keywords there maybe in the last 6 months, but those have all dropped off. And you're not really getting any traffic at all off your website right now, even though you have some of these backlinks built. So let's look at lawn care, Fairway Lawns. So, they've got some of the similar things that you guys do. And really just, from their websites, they've got this more some of the keywords in there for pest control service in Fayetteville. You've got tree care in Fayetteville, AR. You've got lawn care. Those are definitely keywords, but there's just not enough content here for them to really maintain. And I kind of talk about that. Like these kind of, more regional kind of companies, they just don't put in the right amount of effort that they need to on the local SEO to really pick up all of that. But let's look at what they're doing and how much traffic they're getting. So they're getting 107 organic traffic a month. Now that's down 205. So they were getting over 300 there at one time, off of 15 keywords currently. They have a strong website overall on their domain. Just their local page is only a 5. So that's not really not really that strong. And these backlinks are, there's really nothing built to this one particular page, because I'm looking at what is this page. So this is a situation where they have enough content and their overall website is strong enough to kind of push them up in the search ranking, but that leaves them pretty vulnerable for someone like us to come in and really outrank them. But they are getting 107 traffic off of that. So looking at the different traffic metrics, just so you can kind of see. So they're in the 3rd position for lawn care Fayetteville AR. That gets searched 300 times a month. It's a 6 on the keyword difficulty. That's on the lower end, which I like to see. And they're getting 41 clicks a month off of that one keyword. If you look at their name, we don't even really need to look at that. Lawn service Fayetteville AR, 16 clicks a month off of that 100. So, if I break this down, they're getting, probably 15% of the traffic coming to their website being in that 3rd position. And that can only just go up. Now, looking at Lawn Care Rogers AR, just kind of look at that. Again, you've got a couple of people running sponsored ads, similar with True Green in there in the sponsored ads. And then you've got Kings, JNR, and Pure Leaf running in the top positions there. You've got Kings Lawn Care is also in the top position. So let's look at their site. So their site has, a little bit of content on it. Now, again, not a whole lot from what we like to see. Again, we're trying to be in the minimum of 1,500 words on that. Overall, it's decently nice looking at as far as like the pictures that they have showing. If I look at what they're doing, 2.6 on the domain rating and a 6 on the URL. So you can see that that's they've done some work. They've got a lot of backlinks, but this number really should be a whole lot higher if these backlinks were stronger. So it's not necessarily a quantity of backlinks. It's definitely the quality and the type. And we want to just get better, bigger backlinks. So they are getting 102 traffic off of that site. And Lawn Care Rogers, it gets searched 90 times a month. They're getting 32 of that being in position 2. So you can see, being in that number 2 position, you're getting 1/3 of that traffic landing on your page. Same for Lawn Care Rogers AR, 80 searches a month. They're getting 30 of that traffic being in the number 2 spot. Down here for landscaping, that's probably not. Lawn Care Bentonville, 90 searches a month. Now they're ranking in a 9th position. They're only getting 3 of that traffic. So, but there's good search volume. So if you can see, there's 90 here, 80 here, 90 there, 150 here. There's probably 500-600 search volume a month, maybe even more for us to pick up for these different cities. We didn't even look at Springdale yet. So I'll put that together and figure out like just kind of a total amount of search volume that we're looking at for those. But that turns into real traffic. 102 searches a month are landing on their page, and that turns into customers. So that's really it in a nutshell. I did look at the Rogers AR page for Fairway Lawns, and it's a similar situation where Lawn Care Rogers AR being in the 3rd position, they're getting 12 off of those 80 searches a month, and 8 off of the 90 being in the 5th position. So the higher the position, we're always trying to get in that top 3. The better and more calls you're going to get from people landing on your page. That's it in a nutshell. Hope that was helpful to kind of see what we do, how much search volume is available. For investing in something like this, you're really going to get a good return off your money, because your clients, once you pick up one, they usually last through the year. And you guys are also able to kind of add on additional services for these people as you go with time, and they really like you guys. So super excited for what's out there for you. I'll put a proposal together. Hope this was helpful again. You can always reach me at 479-326-7899, and we'll set up a time to go over the rest of what I see for you guys and how that strategy would actually lay out. Thanks.